What's up, guys? It's Miss Daphne Hustles. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing upcoming changes. I will also be discussing the details and rules to enter the 3K sub giveaway. So make sure you watch until the end to find out how you can enter. Alright guys, so updates. I am moving, so you will no longer be seeing this background in my videos, but now I just have stuff thrown everywhere because it's just been a hectic couple of weeks. I'm literally packing my packages on 15-minute breaks and shipping them out on my lunch breaks. It's like I really be pressed for time, and I really be probably packing up about trying to pack 10-15 packages between breaks, lunch, and then shipping them out. But I've been making it happen, so that's what's up, you know. Kudos to me. 2, I also will no longer be reselling for a period of time, probably about 6 months to a year, maybe longer. All right, let me just say I will not be reselling full time. I will most likely be in and out with it, but for the time being, I will be traveling and working on the road, and I will give you updates as I go, y'all. I do have like this whole plan in my head, but I don't want to take up too much of the video talking about that. But the good news is that I will still be making YouTube videos. I will still be making helpful videos for you guys and answering your questions. You guys do ask a lot of great questions in the comments. I do not get a chance to get to all of them, but I also feel like some of the questions could be helpful to other people. So I do want to start answering your questions in my Q&A videos, guys. I will be starting a series of Q&A videos responding to you guys' questions. So make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I drop a new video, because you never know, it just may be answering your question. All right, guys, so we are almost there. We are under 100 subs away from reaching 3K. First off, I just want to thank everyone again for watching and engaging in the videos. I really, truly appreciate you guys, and I just want to let you know that. Okay, so just a quick disclaimer, guys. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube, and I, Daphne, Miss Daphne Hustles, am solely responsible for this giveaway and the distribution of the prize. All right, guys, so like I mentioned before, this is a Cash App giveaway. The total of the giveaway will be $300, but I will have 3 winners, so that will be $100 for each winner, and that will be distributed via Cash App. Okay, so this contest will end on May 7th of this year, 2022 at 11:59 p.m. You guys have until that time to follow the rules to enter into the giveaway. And then after that, the following day, guys, I will randomly select 3 winners. I will reply to your comment down below to email me your Cash App. And you guys will have 24 hours to reply, or you guys will have 24 hours to send me an email. If I do not receive an email within 24 hours, I will have to select a new winner. So like I said, guys, it's really simple. So I'll go ahead and go over the rules now. Rule number 1 is to like this video. Rule number 2 is to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Rule number 3 is to share this video with an entrepreneur, experienced, or aspiring reseller. Rule number 4 is to follow me on Instagram. And then rule number 5 is to comment down below, thank you 3K. So again, the following day, which is May 8th, guys, you have until May 7th, at 11:59 p.m. guys. After that, you will not be able to enter into the contest. So the following day on May 8th, I will randomly select 3 winners. Again, guys, I will randomly select 3 winners. I will reply to your thank you 3K comment to email me your Cash App. Again, you will have 24 hours to send me that email. If you do not send me that email within 24 hours, I will have to go ahead and find another, select another winner. If you have any questions, guys, do not put them down in the comments in this video, guys. Please put them in another video or send me an email. Again, do not comment down below this video. If you have the only comments that should be in this video is thank you 3K once you have actually completed the rules to enter into the giveaway. If you have any questions, please comment them down in a different video or send me an email. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.